Hi everyone, today I am making spicy beetroot and oats burger. For that, first boil oats. When it is boiled, keep it aside. Now saute onion in light pink color. Now take mayonnaise, ketchup, salt and pepper and mix it and keep it aside. Now take a bowl. Add shredded beetroot, shredded carrot, onion, chilli, boiled oats, salt, pepper, parsley, tomato puree and mix it properly. Now drizzle some oil in a pan. Now place a tikki in a pan in a round shape. Cook on medium heat on each side till browned about 5 to 6 minutes. You can see our tikki is ready. Now use same pan, cut the buns and put it on pan and make the bun little crisp. For burger, put some dip on a bun. Now put some lettuce. Put tikki on top. Now put some sliced tomatoes, the sauté onions. Again put some dip on the bun and cover it. Now your burger is ready. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel.